Topic is multiplication word problem. Like for example, I have 3 plates, and in 3 plates I have 4 cupcakes. In each plate I have 4 cupcakes. So when I ask you how I can write it in the form of addition sentence, what you will say? Oh,
4 3 times.
how you will say?
4 plus 4.
Perfect. Yes. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Because there are 4 cupcakes in each place. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. Perfect. Great. Good job, Minsa and Huda. And now look here. This is addition sentence. Okay? Now I'm going to ask multiplication sentence. This is something not new, but you know, I told you. Whenever we are talking about multiplication sentence, the group comes first and then the numbers. The group comes first and then the numbers. Always remember this GN. Means GN means the group come first and then the numbers. So how many groups are there? 3. Open question. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 groups. And then the numbers. How many numbers are there in each group? 4. So 4, 4, 4. So there are 4 numbers in each group. Okay. Since it's a multiplication sentence, we are going to use multiplication sign. Okay. So what is 3 times 4? 12. So it's nothing but repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. We learned this. You all remember? Yeah. Perfect. Good job. I have, okay. Few boxes, and in each box I have 2 chocolates. Now I want you to form first the addition sentence. No.
We will first combine it together.
How you will do that?
First we'll write 2
Perfect. 2.
and another 2.
Say what you will put in the
Like
plus. Well done. Yeah. 2
and
plus.
plus by 2
Okay. Plus.
and then plus by 2.
Okay. Is it? Can you give me quick answer? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is what? What? Yeah, okay, great. Fine. But it's his answer choice. Okay. And now, I'm coming for the multiplication sentence. When we come for the multiplication sentence, first bring this in your mind. Group come first and then the numbers. So, Arfa, how many groups are there?
There are 4 groups.
Perfect. How many numbers are there in each group?
2.
2. What is the sign are we going to use here?
Multiplication.
Perfect. So what is 4 into 2? 8. Perfect. Good job. So there you're wrong. So you know it, yeah? Class. Look here. Very good. That was a good explanation, by the way, by Zimmel. First, as I told you, whenever you have word problems like this, always remember my small trick, okay? This will really help you. Always look for G, one second. Yeah. G and N. G is the group. Now, what is the group? The group is 1, 2, 2, 3. Oh, I'll just try to write it on that. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts is the group. Group, you will first write for G. And now we need to fulfill numbers. Like Sam has 4 parts, okay? And now when we come to numbers, just a second. Okay. Here, she wants to plant 2 beans. This is another tricky word. 2 beans in each pot. So, in each pot, 2 beans. Remember, these are the numbers, 2 beans. So, 4 and number is 2. Okay? So, 4 into 2 equals?
8.
Okay? 4 pots into 2 equals 8. And now, here you can see, you can even write it as 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. Or you can write it as 4 into 2 equals 8. There is no harm if you write 2 into 4 equals 8. Okay, now look here. Class. Whenever there is a multiplication problem, what is the word you need to remember? Perfect. GN. That is, first comes the group and then comes the numbers. Okay. So, listen, how many groups are there?
3.
Yeah, this is the tricky word. 3 cinema tickets. Perfect. Very good. So, 3 cinema tickets, like 1 ticket and 2 ticket and 3 ticket. Okay. Each ticket cost how much pounds? 5 pounds. Great job. So, each ticket is 5 pounds. Okay, there we go. Okay. So, now the group is this and the number is this. So, how many groups are there? I want you to tell me what's the repeated addition sentence we are going to put it here. Nimrod.
5 plus 5.
Great. So we are going to write it as first 5 plus 5 plus 5. How much?
It's 15.
Great. Good job. And now we will go for groups into number. Multiplication sentence. How many groups are there?
3.
How many numbers are there in? So what is 3 times 5?
50.
Perfect. Have you got this?
Yeah.
Now listen, I'm pretty sure nobody would have considered this. When they ask something in the units like 5 pounds, 5 centimeters, or 5 milliliters or liters, don't skip the units. Don't skip the units. The units are very important. So when they say 5 pounds, bring those pounds word here saying, okay, for 3 persons, it's going to be 15 pounds. I'm sorry for this. Okay, 15. Yeah.
I already finished.
You finished? Great. That's amazing. Okay, now I want you to work on this. I give just 1 minute. Come on.
Miss, I'm already done.
Done? Perfect. You people are the fastest. Okay, since you have done, let us revise them. Tell me how many groups are there? Yeah, you can. How many sticks are there in each group? So what is 3 times 6? 80. You can, yeah. 1 second. Either you can do it by multiplication table or you can count the sticks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Either you can do this or, but I support multiplication table. So we have 3 groups and 6 sticks in each, and so we get 18 in each. Perfect. And now, can you tell me she needs how many toothpicks to make 3 hexagons?
8.
Yeah. Perfect. Mohammed, are you done, Mohammed Saad? Very good. Mohammed, how many groups are there? Don't say. I just read this for those who find difficulty in reading. Mrs. Lawson has 4 boxes of markers. There are 9 markers in each box. How many are there in each box? 9 markers in each box. So, once again, I'm lost with my pen. Okay, there are 9 markers in each box. and there are 4 boxes. How many markers does she have all together? 30. Come again?
36.
No, yeah. And all Mohammed Dawood, I'll give you another thing else. So 4 9s are 36. You know how these children are saying so fast? They are preparing themselves with tables. Tables are very important. I want you to by heart with 2 tables, 3 tables, 4 tables, 5 tables. Well done, amazing. So she has how many markers then? 36 markers. Wait.
I said the answer.
Perfect, very good. You're wrong. 36 markers. Are you done?